Welcome coders. Today we will discuss about the JavaScript string search, JavaScript string template and JavaScript numbers. So I will try to complete it. If not, I will cover it in the next tutorial. Okay. Welcome coders. Now it's time to discuss about the string search method. Okay. So we'll discuss about the string index of, string in last index of, string search, string mass all, includes string start with, string ends with. So JavaScript string index of method returns index position of the first occurrence of a string in a string or returns -1 if the index is not found. So let's see. So they are looking for locate. So locate is here. So where it is located 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6 and 7. They are getting it 7 position. That's why it is returning 7. If they don't found, say I am the extra e, so it's returning -1. That's why they are saying it's returning -1. Okay, so JavaScript counts position from 0, so they start 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, JavaScript last index of the last index of method returns index of the last occurrence of the specific text in a string. So it will last index of, I mean it will find the last occurrence, not the first occurrence. So locate is at the 7 position, but instead it gives 21 position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's 21. Okay, so if you calculate, say p0 l1, and you need to count the space also, then you will get the 21st position, the locate. Okay, so it will, as it is last index of, it will find the last occurrence, but it will find the first occurrence. It will find first occurrence and it will find last occurrence. It will find last occurrence. Okay, so if I give another locate over here, locate, so it will find 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 or 29, 37. So 37. You have to count, maybe my count is wrong. So 0, P means 0, L 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So manually it's very tough to count, but they are giving the exact result. So it's 37. Okay, so I hope you make the sense. It will last index of will be the last occurrence and first index of will find the first occurrence. So both index of and last index of return 0 if it is not found. So if they don't found it, they will return 0. So as John is not here, so it will return 0. So both will return 0. Okay, both methods accept second parameters as the starting position of the source. Okay, so both methods accept second parameter. So second parameter is 15. Okay, I have the explanation over here. Please locate where locate occurs. Please locate where locate occurs. So I have the explanation, no worries. Both index of and last index of, how they are finding things. I have a clear explanation over here. You will understand it very easily. So last index of locate, if each second parameter provided, if second parameter provided, it means that index of what it will do, say index of, it will eliminate the first 15 letters. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, up to 15. Okay, this is 15. So they will eliminate this portion. After that, they start looking. So locate 15. Okay, so locate, let's see, 21. So let's see once again. They will start after 15. So we'll get the locate at 21. Okay, so you can see it, or 21. This is 21. Locate. This is 21. Okay, they will eliminate as 15. They will eliminate the first 15 result. You see index of locate 15. They will look it this direction, and if last index of, they will look it the opposite direction. Say they will ignore the last portion. They will start from here and proceed up to opposite direction, and they will look it. I hope that makes sense. So last index of method search backwards from the end to the beginning, meaning if the second parameter is 15, the search starts at the position 15 and search to the beginning to the start. So what it will do, it will start searching from here, this opposite direction. Already I have told you this opposite direction, and it will start from 15. Okay, so where is locate? At 7. So it will give 7. Okay, and it will give 21 is because it will start from 15. So after 15, these things will be ignored. Okay, up to this it will be ignored. They will not calculate it. They will start calculation from here. So they are getting at 21 number the locate. Okay, last index of JavaScript string search. The search method search a string or regular expression, and return the position of the mesh. So search method returns the position. Okay, so text search, their position locate means 7. 7 means 0, 1, 2. This is 7. Okay, so that's why it's returning locate. Okay, search method search the string. Okay, it will 7, and return search method search a string for a string or regular expression and returns. So if I locate, return the position of the first occurrence of the regular expression. So it is also 7 locate. Okay, did you notice the two method index of search are equal? So they are doing the same thing. Both of are returning index. They accept the same arguments, parameters, and return the same value. They accept the same arguments and return the same value. The two methods are not equal. These are different. The search method cannot take second start position argument. So it cannot take the second argument, and index of method cannot take powerful search values, regular expression. So regular expression will not work here. You see, I'm showing you index of, okay, and say if I make it L capital letter and this also capital letter, they will fail to search. So they are not finding. You see, though locate, but they are not finding it, is because it's case sensitive. So if we provide regular expression, it will not work. Even though it will not work, it will not work because they're saying that, you see, index of method cannot take regular expression. So it index of has some shortcomings and search has some shortcomings. Search cannot take second argument. Okay, search cannot take second argument. Locate, say if I say 3, it's giving the same result. So both are same, almost same, but they have the subtle differences. Search method cannot take second part position argument. Index of cannot accept regular expression. You will learn more about regular expression. So if you don't understand regular expression, uh, this is basically called regular expression. Means if we provide by this way z and I, they will irrespective of capital letter or small letter, they will return whatever the character they will find, and it will look for global, I mean whole through the string they will search. Okay, this is regular expression. So if you don't understand, they have a dedicated chapter for that. Okay, so now, so I hope you understand search and index of. Then JavaScript string mesh method returns array containing the result of a string against a string or regular expression. So perform the search. So it will match. If it find match, it will return. So I am taking it into my VS Code and try to console log it. So console.log my array. So what it is returning? So let's see. So it's returning an array, okay, and group undefined, index 5. So they are getting AIN at the index 5. This is the input, length 1. So they are getting AIN. So this is 0, 1, 2, space is 3, 4, 5. They are getting it 5 position, okay. But we have another AIN. Say this is AIN capital. This is AIN. This is AIN. So these AINs are not being cached by mesh. Is because we did not use regular expression over here. You see, search on the mesh method returns an array containing the result of the mesh string against a string. So I have the explanation, don't worry. So what will happen? String mesh AIN. So if there is no regular expression, it will give you output like that. If it has a regular expression, they will give the first occurrence. If you use G, I mean global, they will look for another AIN. So we have how many AINs here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 AINs, but one is capital AIN. So capital is not being caught by this one, but whenever you use G and I, G means global and I means capital sensitivity, so it's captured everything. If you use G and I all together with regular expression, this is regular expression, and you are using G and I, that means irrespective of capital letter or small letter, you are getting everything. But if you only use G, you will not get the capital one. So capital is not here. But if you don't use any regular expression, say like that and like that, they will stop at the first occurrence. Whenever they will get the AIN, they will not go for the next AIN. Okay, we have AIN 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, but they are stopping the first occurrence, I mean 5. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, they are stopping at the occurrence of 5. If you use regular expression, the output is same, but output differs when you use G and I. So G fails to catch the capital one, so it's looking for every occurrence other than capital one, but whenever you use G and I all together, it will find everything irrespective of the capital letter and small letter. Okay, so if you find something that is not there, it will return null. So this is the explanation, good explanation. Okay, I hope that will make sense. So this is happening over here. I can show you by GI. Console.log. So it will receive everything because we have I and we have G global, and the I used for catching the irrespective of capital letter or a small letter. You see, I'm getting everything, 4 occurrence. But if you don't use regular expression means this line and this line, and you can use Z and I. I'm showing you once again this line and this line, A, I, N. So this is regular expression. You can use G. G means global and I means for case sensitivity. Okay. Okay. Text mesh and mesh wall. So mesh wall almost same, but it will return an iterator. The mesh wall method returns an iterator. It will return an iterator containing the result of the matching string against the string. So what will happen over here? So we have the cats. So if you don't use any regular expression over here, so console.log iterator. So it will return an iterator, just iterator, nothing else. Iterator, it has the scope. I will discuss the scope later. So they are returning iterator. Okay, so we need to convert the iterator into the array iterator. Now need to console.log array iterator. So what you will get, so you are getting 2 arrays. Why 2 arrays? You see, so cats. So we have 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats, but they are receiving 2 cats. Means as there is no regular expression over here, so then it will return everything. You see, it's receiving everything. If I use G and I, if I use only G, it will receive 2, the 2 capital one. If I give the small letter, it will receive the only one. We have only one capital small letter. Okay, so if I use G and I, it will receive everything. So I am showing you. I can show you here also. So cats, I'm using regular expression. Sorry, GI. So you will get everything. You see, I'm getting everything. So what we are getting? We are getting cats, the zero, the cats, the group undefined index 7. On which index we are getting? We are getting 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next time we are getting second occurrence is at 13 and third occurrence is 41. So what it is returning? Can you see? So they are saying what they're saying in 3 steps. I'm showing you in on. Okay. But I am showing you some practical use cases. So what they are returning? So if it is bare minimum, I mean if there is no regular expression, it will give you the first occurrence. Mass, I have shown you mass. Okay, so if it is a G, it will go for 3. If it is G and I, it will find out everything. Mass, and this is match all. Match all, it will return an iterator. Okay, iterator. I am show you already. It will define as return an iterator. So if you use iterator, array from iterator, then it will give you all occurrence 0, 1, 2. But there is some practical use cases. So before practical use cases, I am showing you this is regex. They are using regex, so it will return all occurrences. It will find out all the occurrences. So if there is nothing over there, it will empty string. If you just barely use it, it will give you type error. So these are the practical use cases. Extracting all email address. So you can extract the email address. You can use mass all words that capital letter. You can use mass like that. So this is regular expression. There we have a dedicated discussion and chapter for that. So if you don't understand, no worries. Just try to understand the mass. Extracting hashtag from the social media. So these are the practical use cases of mass and mass all. Validating password. Okay. So extracting email hashtag capitalized word, use match all. Simple list of masses, use mass. Replacing or validating string, use mass or replace. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So mass all and mass all. So can you understand? And I have shown you the practical use cases. Then we have JavaScript string includes. So includes method returns true or false Boolean values. So keep the string is a word. Okay, hello world, welcome to the if it includes word, then it will return true. So if I give double D, then it will false because there is no word for double D. But if I give double D over here, it will become true. Okay, previously got the index position, but right now we are getting whether the word is inside the string or not. Okay, so check the string is word start at position 12. So at the position 12, do you have the word or not? So at the position, I mean 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in the 12th position, there is no word. There is no word world here. So that's why it's returning false. But it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I give 6 over here, it will return true. You see, it's becoming true. So at the position 12, they will find this word. If they find, they will return true, otherwise false. Okay, includes is case sensitive. So include is case sensitive. I mean, if it is capital letter, it will not work. It will false. But do they accept regular expression? Let's see. No, they don't accept the regular expression. Okay, so this is include. So I hope that will make sense. If you don't understand, let me know, then I will make a separate video for the explanatory video. Now discuss about the start with. Okay, say start with method returns true if a string begins with a specified value, otherwise it will return false. So is it start with hello? Starts with hello, true. But if I removing it, it will become false. Okay, returns false. So starts with world, so it's not start with world, it's start with hello, that's why it is returning false. But if I see hello over here, let's say it is case sensitive or not. Hello, it's case sensitive, so it's true. Okay, case sensitive, but they don't accept the regular expression. It is their shortcomings. Say G I. Say I'm giving. They are not accepting the regular expression. No problem. It is not designed for that. So it starts with word 5. Start a position or source can be specified. Okay, starts with method is not supported. Acha, hello world, start with 5, false. So 5, is it the position 5 word is there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has the position 6. If I give 6, it will return true. You see, it's returning true because at the position 6 they are finding word. And how the position is 6, AC 0, 1, you should count like that way. So space, you should count the space also. So first letter is zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a space, but you have to count it. If you get the comma, you should count it also, comma or any sign or a space. So you have to count the index incrementally, 0, 1, 2, 3. You see up to 19. And this is 35. 35 is not given here. This is 35. Okay, this is the exclamation. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, this is a space. And this is a different letter. So every space or letter or symbol are occupied by the indexes. Okay, you cannot keep it blank. So it starts with this case sensitive I have shown, and regular expression is not working on that. Ends with, the ends with method returns true if the ends with the specific value. Let's see, ends with. So is it ends with Joe? Yes, but if I give it ends with John, false. No, it's not ends, it's ends with do. And it is also case sensitive. You see, do, if I give a small letter, they will return false. but if I give the capital letter, it will become true. Okay, it's case sensitive also. Check if the element first character of the string ends with world. So it's true. So world ends with. Method is check if the element first character of the string ends with world. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Yeah, 11 ends with world. But if I give it 12, it will become false because 12 is not ends with world. Okay. So if the 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can calculate and examine by yourself. Say, I want to check welcome. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I am taking welcome 12, it will become false. Again I am counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Still false. Let's say 14. Welcome and sweet. Okay. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So give it 20 or 21. 22. So n means the finishing up to count. You have to count up to the finishing line. So welcome and 20. So welcome finishes at 20 and you have to ignore this. You have to ignore this. Okay. Okay, so we are done. We have ends with, ends with, ends with. These are case sensitive. And we have a dedicated chapter for string search. So if you don't understand, let me know. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. In the next chapter, we'll discuss about the string templates. Okay. Okay, let's talk about template string. So I have discussed it earlier, even though as we are covering every chapters, so I am discussing once again string templates. Templates, strings, template literals. Beloved child has many names. Okay, backticks. So below the escape keyboard, you will get this tilde sign. Backticks rather than quotes to define a string. Template string using backticks rather than a quotes. So it is very handy instead of using quotes. So hello world. So we are using template string over here. Quotes inside the string. So template string allow both single and double quotes inside the string. So it's allowing, this is the single quote, this is the double quote. But if I don't use template string, say, and I want to wrap it through the double quotes, so it will create problem. It will not give you any output. And in the VS Code, it will show a lot of errors. So you see it lot of errors. So it will not work. So if I give template string, template literals, then it will work. Then it will work. Okay. Okay, so it's working just fine. Okay, multiple string, template string allow multi-line string. So I have shown you earlier. So it's allowing multi-line string. Okay, So interpolation template string provide an easy way to interpolate variables and expression into string. The method is called string interpolation. So the syntax is this. It has a lot of examples below. So variable substitution. So I have shown you earlier. So if it is changed, you can change. It will do as usual. It will work just fine. Okay. So this is template literal, and you are using like that. Okay. Automated replacing the variables with real values are called string interpolation. Automatic replacing the variables. So it's replacing the variables with real values. It's called string interpolation. Expression substitution, template string. So you can dynamically calculate the price, VAT, etc. And two fixed two, say I7. Okay. So dynamically, if you change the price, so it will work accordingly. Automatic replacing the expression with real values is called string interpolation. So similar way, it is also working. So it is dynamically working. Tags are also working dynamically. So const x of tags. So they are using loop. Okay, for loop. So it is also simple. Okay, browser support complete string reference. So you have a complete string reference in the dedicated section for that. Okay, so this chapter is done. Now we'll discuss about the numbers. Okay, so JavaScript has only one type of number. Numbers can be written with or without decimal. So you can decimal, I mean 3.14, or without decimal. Okay, so both are numbers. So numbers, no confusion over here. So extra large, extra small numbers can be written with scientific exponent notation. This is scientific exponent notation. It means it should have five zeros. Five zeros. If I change it, say 7, it will be 70, like that. Okay. This is scientific exponent notation. Okay. So JavaScript numbers are always 64-bit floating point. Unlike many other programming language, JavaScript does not define different types of numbers like integer, short, long, floating point, etc. JavaScript numbers are always stored at double precision floating point numbers following the international IEEE 754 standard. This format stored number 64-bit, where number the fraction is stored 0 to 15. So unlike any other programming language, JavaScript is bit different. Okay. So integer precision. Integers, numbers without a period or exponent notation, are accurate up to 15 digits. So JavaScript by default give you accurate up to 15 digits. So if you use more than 15 digits, so it works whimsically or erratically. Say I am 9, so it's becoming whimsical. So integers, number without a period of exponent notation, are accurate up to 15 digits. So up to 15 digits, you can get the expected result. Okay. So integers, whole numbers, are accurate up to 15 digits. Beyond 15 digit, precision may lost due to floating points routing errors. So x 15 digits are stored accurately, but 16 digits lost precision and it's stored. Though because JavaScript cannot represent 16-digit integers accurately. So you will get up to 15 digits accurately. Okay. The maximum number of decimal is 17. Okay, floating precision. Floating point arithmetic is not always 100% accurate. So it supposed to give result of 0.3. Say it should be 0.1, 0.2. It should be 0.3. But they are not providing accurate result. This is not accurate. So it has the JavaScript by default is. So to solve this problem, you can do it by a real number and divide it by real number, then you will get the expected result. So you are by it helps multiple and divide, and you are getting the expected number. So it has another ways. Say, why does a point 2 plus point 1 sometimes give unexpected result in JavaScript? JavaScript uses IEEE 754 floating point standard for representing numbers. This standard has limited precision, meaning some decimal number cannot be stored exactly, leading to small errors in calculation. So not exactly, even though the result slightly off due to high float point, numbers are stored in memory. So you can use this to fixed. You can use to fixed. So then you will expected result, or you can use it multiple or divide by the real number. So then you will get the expected number. Okay. Adding numbers and string, or in JavaScript uses plus operator for both addition and concatenation. So you have to read this section very carefully. So JavaScript uses plus operator for both addition and concatenation. So plus operator is serving two purpose: addition and concatenation. Numbers are added, strings are concatenated. Remember it, numbers are added, strings are concatenated. Okay, so if you have two numbers, the result will be a number. So you are using, this is very natural, 10 and 20, result is 30. If you add two string, the result will be a string concatenation. So this is a string, it is supposed to be 30, but it's side by side, it's concatenating 10 plus 20, it's concatenating. Why? The reason is numbers are added, strings are concatenated. You know, if you have quotes, it is considered as a string. So strings are concatenated. Okay. If you add a number and a string, the result will be string concatenation. If you add a number and a string, the result will be string concatenation. So you are adding a number. This is a number and this is a string, but its result will be string, not 30. So if you don't use string, it will be 30. It will be 30. But if you use string, it will be, output will be string. Concatenate, output will be concatenated. So if you add a string and a number, the result will be string concatenation. If you add a string and a number, this is string and this is number, the result will be string concatenation. So if it find string, it first JavaScript works from left to right. So initially if it get string and later on number, it will consider as a string. A common mistake is to expect this result to be 30. Okay, common mistake is to expect the result to be 30. So it will not be 30. Can you tell me why? Because initially it has the string. So if it gets a string, any place, it will start to concatenate. So it will be considered as the result is 10, 20. So it will not add up as it is getting string. So a common mistake expect 30. If you add a string and a number, the result will be string concatenation. If you add a string, so you are adding, this is the string and this is number. Okay, so it will be considered as a string. A common mistake is to expect this result to be so what will be the result? Result will be 30 30. Let's see 30 30 because these two will be add up and the last. But if string is passed, then everything will be considered as a string. So as this first order is string, this will be considered as a string, this will be considered as a string. Everything will be considered. But if string is last, these two will add up and these will concatenate. Okay, you have to remember this. The JavaScript interpreter works from left to right. First 20 and 30 is added because x and y are both numbers. Then 30 is concatenated because G is a string. Okay, numeric strings. So can you remember this? So this is very important. Again, I am saying the JavaScript interpreter interprets works from left to right. So first 10 and 20 is added because x and y are both numbers. Then 30 and string 30 is concatenated because G is a string. Okay, that's why it is happening. So initially they are getting a string, then second one is considered as a string and third one is considered as a string. Common mistake is to expect this result to be, so it will be these two will be add up and this will be concatenate. Okay, numeric string. JavaScript strings can have numeric content. Let x 100, y 100. This is also numeric. This is also numeric in the sense that why this happens. JavaScript uses type coercion. They automatically convert string to number. Okay, JavaScript uses type coercion, meaning it automatically converts value to appropriate types when necessary. The multiplication operator is only defined for numbers in JavaScript. When JavaScript encounter string and string implicitly convert into a number 110. If this performs numeric multiplication resulting is 1000. Okay, so they automatically convert string to number if it is multiple divide, but if it get plus they behave differently. But other than plus, multiplication, divide, and this then they will convert it the string into a number. Okay, JavaScript will try to convert strings to number in all numeric operations. So this will convert into number. It will done by JavaScript automatically, and this will convert to 10 automatically by JavaScript. Then you are getting the expected number, though this is string. But if as it is numeric, that's why they are converting it to number. So if it is string, then it will not take place. It will be name. Okay, this also work. So divide multiplication will work because JavaScript will convert this string to number. They will convert it number and this will be converted into number. So this will work as expected. So divide will work, multiplication will work, and this will work, minus will work. But I told you when the problem starts, problem will start from plus in the case of plus, because plus sign is for two regions. One is for concatenation, another is for adding. So it will concatenate, but for minus it will not. You will get expected result, because JavaScript will convert it 100 and it will convert it to 10, then 100 minus 10, you will get the expected result equal to 90. Okay, but this will not work. This is the exception. Okay, why this is not work? Because it will concatenate. As it is getting a string at the initial position, both are string, it will concatenate. It will not. But if it is number, but if I divide it or multiple it, it will not give you the unexpected result. But only if it is plus, it will give you unexpected result. I mean, it will concatenate as it is getting string at the initial position. In the last example, JavaScript uses plus operator to concatenate the string. Nan, not a number. Nan is a JavaScript uh, reserved word indicating that number is not a legal number. It's a number but not a legal number. So if I go and show you, it's number but not legal number. It's saying that in JavaScript nan in JavaScript reserved word and indicating that a number is not a legal number. Trying to do arithmetic with non-numeric string will result nan, not a number. So as it is a real number and is illegal, this is a string, so it will give you a nan, not a number. Okay. However, if the string is numeric, the result will be a number. So JavaScript will convert it to 10. So you will get the expected output. So JavaScript is smart. However, if the string is numeric, the result will be a number. So you can use global JavaScript is nan to find the value is not a number. Okay. So value is not a number, true. Watch out the for nan. If you use nan, it is a mathematical operation. The result will be a nan. So if you plus nan with 5, because this is not legal number, but what it is. In JavaScript, nan, not a number, is a special value that represents an invalid or undefined number, while nan is technically classified as a number type. It does not behave like regular number in arithmetic operations. Is a special value, okay? So you have to remember this. Or the result might be concatenate in nan 5. So this is nan and this is 5 string, so it will be concatenate. So it's concatenating. So nan is number, type of nan returns number. I have shown you already. So it's a number. So type of nan. Okay. So I hope you got my point. So now we will start discussing the infinity.